In this session, we will be discussing how to create or edit additional services. In order to access this page, go ahead and click on Settings in the top left-hand toolbar. Here you will see that there's a list of corporate settings, and that additional services is the second one from the top. Select it. And here you will see that our software has already preloaded a couple additional services into your software. So you have these default money orders, LD cards, title loans, and that should be it for what you have. And you can see that the additional services already uploaded have a minimum fee and a percentage on the total amount paid already installed with them. If you would like to use this template, but maybe you want to adjust some of the numbers in here, you can edit it by clicking on the pencil icon. That will bring you to this page, which literally allows you to edit every single aspect of the money order additional service. If you wish to delete the service, go ahead and click on the red X. And that will prompt you saying, are you sure you want to delete the additional service? If you do so, press OK. But for now, we're just going to cancel because we want to leave the money order with us. Also notice in the top left-hand corner, not there, but here, there is show inactive additional services. We see that there's a prepaid sell 25% discount, and the fee for that is $49.95. And we also see that there's a fax, and the fee is manual, meaning that it would be manually put in by yourself. But we don't use these ones right now for one reason or another, and you'll notice when we go to create additional services that you have the option of setting an additional service to active or inactive. If you select it as inactive, it will be gray like this, and it won't automatically show up on your list unless you select this box. So just remember that, keep that in mind. We're going to deselect that for now. And we're going to go ahead and create a new additional service. The name of this service we will say is new service. So you can name it however you would like. And notice the first thing under the name of the service is the fee type. If you click on calculated fee type, the software will pre-calculate a fee plus a percentage of the amount of the service provided. For example, a customer places a money order for $5. For this service, they would pay a 65-cent fee plus an additional 10% of the customer's total service rendered. The customer would owe the lender $6.15. Does that make sense? 10% of the $5 and 65 cents for the fee right here. You pay 65 cents per transaction. 65 cents plus the 10%, in this case 50 cents. 65 cents plus 50 cents is $1.15. Added to the $5 money order placement, your total becomes $6.15. If you would like to do a fee discount, you can select if you would like the discount fee to be a percentage of the total amount the customer paid, or if you'd like to be a dollar amount. We'll go ahead and select dollar amount for this tutorial, and we'll say that if they are a new customer, they've never done business with us before, we will give them a $20 discount just to keep them coming back. And if you would like to add more discounts for whatever reason, you can add more by clicking Add More. Now say you didn't want your fees to be calculated. You could select them to be manual, which means you select what the fee will be for each individual case. The software has nothing to do with that. That's completely up to you. So if that so is your choice, then go ahead and select manual and you can deal with the fees on your own. But if you would like the software to help you out with that, select calculated. Down here there is a section that deals with the minimum fee paid on the additional service. And this means that the lender will not be allowed to charge a fee amount lower than the amount put in this box. So because you have a fee right here for every transaction of 65 cents, you would probably make your minimum fee 65 cents, just so you can cover the cost of the transaction. Once you're done with that, you see that there's 3 fields down here that can be checked. Update drawer balance box simply means that when you check this box, you will see money appear in the lender's drawer after charging a customer. By keeping the box unchecked, you will not allow the money to appear in the lender's drawer. So if you'd like to see an initial addition of money or subtraction of money from your drawers, go ahead and click on this box. Leave it checked. If you don't care, if you want to see it later, then uncheck it. For now, we'll check it because we want to see everything that's going in and out of our drawers when it goes out. The next field is very straightforward, Social Security number required. If you would like the number to be required, check the box. If no, uncheck it. And the next important thing is if you want this additional service to even be used by your software, make sure that it's checked and it's active. If you don't want to use it for some reason, deactivate it. Maybe you'll use it again in a month or so. But for now, we're going to get active because we plan on using it soon. Once we're content with what we've done for our new additional service, we'll go ahead and click on Update. And you can see down here that new additional service has been added to your list of additional services. Again, if for any reason you messed up or you'd like to fix something, it's very simple. Just click on the pencil icon. Or if you no longer want this service, click Delete. But very simply, that is how to create or edit additional services. If you have any other questions, please feel free to watch our other tutorials or contact our support team. Thank you for watching. This concludes this session.